quick crash course on the form for asking for relationships. So we have 4 relationships, yes? Tenchik, Galwa. You can make a little chart here.
Isn't it on our handout?
Is it there?
It's in our handout.
Yeah, well, let's review it. When they say Tunchik, then the challenger says why. So there is a question. And then the defender is just restating the same it's just explaining what Tunchik is this next step. Why? Because whatever is X is B, Z, whatever is Z is X, you just say. It's kind of redundant logically, but it helps people to realize what they mean when they say this Tibetan word Tunchik. And then you ask, yes, so the next column could be the number of examples. So here we have 2. Okay, so the second column is the question you ask. Here it's why. And the last column is how many examples you ask, 2. Then with Gelwa, it's very similar. So let's do it again. There is no relationship between matter and awareness.
Why?
No, that is not the case. And there is, I accept, show. Gelwa.
Why?
Why? Because whatever is matter is excluded from awareness, whatever is awareness is excluded from matter. Then?
Give examples of the 3 possibilities.
Good. So you also do why here. Then, there is no relationship between object and thing.
Case.
There is.
Accept.
Show.
Musu.
And then?
What pervades what?
Now, what is included in what?
What
we
is
say.
included?
So what is included in what? That's this question. All right? Thing is included in object. Then?
Give examples of the 3 possibilities.
3 possibilities. So here is number 3 in this box of that table. And finally, we don't have any here, but yeah. There is no relationship between young people and wise people, or old people and wise people.
That's
That's
not
not
the
the
case.
And there is
Accept.
show,
Mushi.
Mushi. Now, there is no question here, okay? This is blank. Then you are
Examples of the 4 possibilities.
4. Okay. So what's the example of an old person and wise? Donald? No?
Yoda.
Yoda.
Okay, now we don't lose time with this. So remember this. This is a good little table here.